Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll discuss what is Google Suggest or Google Autocomplete, how it works and how you can use it for SEO. Let's get started. So what is Google Suggest? When you type something in Google search bar, for example if I type best pizza in, you see a drop down list of suggestions. This is called Google Autocomplete. I got suggestions like best pizza in Sharjah, in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi and similarly other queries. So how does Google know what to suggest here? According to Google, autocomplete predictions reflect real searches that have been done on Google. To determine what predictions to show, our systems look for common queries that match what someone starts to enter into the search box but also consider. So until now, the important thing is our systems look for common queries, which means that people search for these terms and you can target these keywords on your website. They also consider the language of the query. This is obvious. If you search in English, you will see suggestions in English, and if you search in another language, you will see suggestions in that language. Secondly, they consider the location a query is coming from. My current location in Google right now is United Arab Emirates. So that's why it's showing me suggestions like Sharjah, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, UAE. And I'm seeing suggestions like best pizza in Rome and Milan, and that's because of trending interest in a query. Lastly, they also look at your past searches. For example, if I type how to, now these suggestions are based on my previous search history. If you search how to from your PC, you will see different searches than mine. So these are the 4 things that Google consider to show you these suggestions. Now let's see how we can use this for SEO. Start by typing in a keyword related to your niche and see what Google suggests. For example, if you are in the fitness industry, type how to lose weight. You will see suggestions like how to lose weight fast, how to lose weight without exercise, how to lose weight fast naturally and permanently, and similarly other suggestions. Now each of these could inspire a blog post or video. Now for example, if you want to write a blog post about how to lose weight in a week, now press the space bar and you will see more suggestions. How to lose weight in a week without exercise and similarly other suggestions. Now these can be your subheadings for this blog post to increase the depth of your article. But keep in mind, this is the initial step to get keyword ideas. You have to do more research before finalizing a keyword by looking at its keyword difficulty, search volume and other important factors. You can use this for idea generation. Moreover, you can type a keyword and then add a letter from the alphabet. For instance, if I type best travel destinations, hit space bar and enter A, you will see suggestions like April, Asia, August and other suggestions. And now type B, you will see more suggestions, and type C, you will see more suggestions. And similarly, you can type other alphabets to get more ideas. This way you can also get more keyword ideas. Then we have the underscore trick. For example, if I type best restaurants in New York, normally what happens is when you type a keyword, Google gives you suggestions at the end of your keyword. Like your main keyword is here that you've entered here and then you have suggestions. If you want to get suggestions in the middle of a keyword, then you can type a underscore. Now you can see it's giving you suggestions inside of what you have entered here. So this is a very nice trick you can use also. You can use this trick to get even more ideas. You can also play with singular and plural forms of your keywords. For example, if I type dog tie, I will see different suggestions, and if I type dog ties, I will see different suggestions. Google Suggest is a powerful tool for understanding what people are searching for and how you can create content that meets their needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more SEO tips, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.